first one, like I promised them on phone that we will try as much as possible to explain further. The question is the first question that came to me is from is to change 71 meters to base 8. And when I received this call, I tried as much as possible to explain it on phone, but it is not something that the person could really know what to do, except you actually see it being done. And apart from that, this is something that we have also treated. I think we used about 3 or 2 episodes to work on a number basis. And but we're doing this now. I think it's another way of revising, not only to Ife from Lagos, but to us, those people that also missed the topic. But what we just said here is that when you are converting a particular number to base 8, please forget about the unit. The unit is not it's not part of the calculation, but at the end, when you get the solution, you now put your unit there. So what you just need to do when you are converting any number to base 8, like we have 71 now, just divide it by 8. That is all. And I was telling the person that once she divides, the remainder should be kept, should be written by the side. And I think it is that way of arrangement that was not too easy for her to understand on air. Now, 71, 8 in 71. You now calculate how many 8s can I find inside 71. Of course, you know that 8 times 8 will give us 64. You see, it's a way of reminding us that there are some little things that makes even these simpler ones difficult for us to understand. For instance, if you do not, you cannot remember your timetable, or you cannot say it off heart, it may be difficult for you to be very quick at working this. But better still, you could just do the calculation. You will just get it. How many 8s can you find inside 71? 8 times 8 is 64. That means that we have 8 in 8 places to get 64. And once you have 64, 8 in 9 places now, that one is going to give us more than that. Remember, after having 64, let's add 8 to that. You know that 8 times 8 gives us that. Now 64, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the way of doing it. At least if you just start from this, after some time you begin to get some faster method. Now let's add this 8 to 64. 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. It will be more than 71. So it means that it cannot go more than 8 times. So you now say, how many 8 can you find inside 71? You now say, this will give me what? It will be 8, because 8 times 8 is 64. And what will remain to get 71? 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. We are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you now put remainder 7. Can you see that? Then we now say 8 divided by, 8 can divide it. So you said 8 in 8 is 1. Remainder what? Remainder 0. Then you now, in case if I is watching me now, or any other person that belongs to this category, just take, you know that 8 cannot divide this again. So there's no need for you to put 8 here. Just take from this last solution and just write the numbers to your right. So this one will become 1. This is the last number solution I got. 1. Take the next remainder, put it there, 0, and take the next number, 7. And you put the base 8 under it. So that one will now give us meters. You understand that now? So you now have it as 708 meters, 708 base 8, 7107 base 8 meters. As simple as that. You don't need to really go through any step. Just divide. Once you are changing to any, if you are to change to base 7 now, divide it by 7 and follow the same process. If I say change 54 to base 2, just divide it by 2 and whatever you are going to get. Remember too that Once you have a number like this, it means that this number is in base 10. That is, once a number is in base 10, it is written as it is. Because all other numbers that we are working with in mathematics, all the 1, 2, 3 that you read from kindergarten to they are all base 10 numbers. For instance, if I say change 54 to base 2. To base 2. What are you going to do now? You are going to say 54, start dividing it by 2. 2 in 54. That will give me 27. It will remain what? Remainder 0. 2 in 27. That will give me 2 in this place is 1. 2 in this place is 3. Remainder what? Remainder 1. Do you know that? Now, we now say 2 in this place, 2 in 13. That's 12. Making 6. Remainder 1. 2 in 6 now. 3. Remainder 0. 2 in 3. 1. Remainder 1. But of course you know that 2 cannot divide that again. So you stop where that one is and say the solution will now become, take this last one, 1, take this one, 1, take this 0, 0, take this 1, 1, this 1, 1, and that's 0 base 2. That's the solution to that. And the whole essence of getting, for you to be able to be used to it, is that once you are writing, once there's a figure in a particular base, there is no digit in that solution that